Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. And today we are looking at one of the most insane AI tool for developers. It's called V0 by Vercel. And honestly, this feels like the future of front-end development. Because instead of manually coding every UI component, you can literally describe what you want. So you can think of it as an AI front-end engineer. Okay, let's get started now. And if you are a student, you can claim 1 year free premium plan. Once you log in, you can see this interface. Okay, now let's build something. I'm going to ask build me a SaaS landing page for fitness. Now you can see it's building everything, all the components, navbar, feature, status bar, how it works, CTA section, pricing, and as we can see, we have a complete website. So we have a different page, and if you are happy with everything, you just click on publish and publish to production. And if you want to customize your domain, you can do that by going to customize domain. And now you can see our website is ready. It means our website is live and we can visit the site anytime. So here you can see we have three icons. The first one is for preview, second one for code, and the third one for database. Okay, now let's try to improve this. So I'll ask make it dark and use purple branding. Now you can see the branding color is updated to purple color. Okay, now let's go even bigger. Now I will ask build admin dashboard with a sidebar, analytic chart, and a user table. Now go to dashboard page and click enter. Now you can see our dashboard page is ready. This was just a small overview of Vercel V0, but yeah, you can do actually a lot. That's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.